I recently fulfilled two of my teenage dreams by buying these shoes, and they both came with the same problem. But I'm happy to announce that I have found a solution to this squeaky problem, and it's baby powder. Yeah, seriously, baby powder. First, we're going to sprinkle the baby powder over the shoes and then wipe it off with some paper towel and maybe shine them up with some cleaning spray at the very end. This is just half vinegar and water. Let's try them out. I just want to point out that this is Reptar on my socks and I'm really proud of them. I found them in the men's section at the Bay or something, I don't know. But yeah. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I hope this solves your squeaky shoe problems like it solved mine. These had actually already been done once before I did this video and I was surprised that they were still squeaky, so I don't think it's a permanent fix, but it does help for a little while, and obviously the more you wipe it off, the less dirty they look, but I personally don't care too much. I would wear these outside. In fact, I already did. The first time I did it, I didn't really wipe it off that well, because I kind of did it within like, oh, sorry, it's hot. I did it within like 3 minutes before I had to leave the house, so yeah. But thank you for clicking on me today. I know it's a short video, but try to be more organized with my uploads, so expect a range of different type of stuff coming. But yeah, thank you for clicking on me today. There were so many things here on YouTube that you could have clicked on, but you chose me, and that makes me super happy. I will see you really soon. Bye!